Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, and then we can enter the Play Store. And as you can see here on the very first page, we've got the information that all our apps, games, payment methods and notifications are right now here. So we have to tap on this circle, which is simply our account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all apps and games which are installed on this device. But if you'd like to check only the updates, just tap on this option, Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got only 2 apps which can be updated. So all you have to do in order to update the app is to mark it. Just tap on it. So let me update the Instagram, for example. Both of them. Let me update all of them, and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, this device will download the updates, and then it will be the updates will be successfully installed and applied to your device. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.